Hey you guys, it's your girl Janisha London and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure to subscribe and hit the post notification bell because how else are you gonna know about new content? Now I am super excited to be here with you guys because guess what? It's here. It has arrived. It is here. Yes. Luvme Hair sent your girl. They sent me some hair. And I'm so excited. Let's see what we have inside. Like, get into it. It's so funny because this is like a full circle moment for me. When I first started my YouTube channel, I started out doing hair reviews, and it's crazy because you guys can't see these videos because I think they're so cringe, but I remember sitting on the floor in my dorm sometimes doing these hair review videos, and my videos used to go up, and I didn't even have any subscribers at the time. I had just started my YouTube channel, so this is a full circle moment for me. I'm super excited to be working with Luvme Hair, and regardless, y'all know I keep it real. So yes, they sent me this hair, but this is gonna be a 100% honest review because y'all know I always get my hair from Her Crown Collections, but guess what? We're trying something new, and I'm so thankful that they decided to send your girl some hair. So I had already opened the package because I was just super excited, but I love that the packaging, it says Luvme for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox the love and shine bright, founder of Luvme Hair. And I just want to show you guys this. Like, that's beautiful. This packaging is beautiful, and my favorite color is purple, so I just love this so much. Now I got me a closure wig from them because I am a closure girly, and let's just talk about everything that's in this package. So first things first, we have a hair clip. I love a good hair clip. This is great for parting your hair, pinning your hair up, and of course it says Luvme and it's purple, so this was super cute. Next, they gave me a beauty blender, essential for the makeup. So cute, and look at the packaging. Wow, this is like, I've never got this much stuff before. Now a purple bonnet. Let's open this up. I love a good bonnet, y'all. This might be my travel bonnet because I have a big one already. I love a good, y'all. Now can we get into this bonnet? This is not your normal bonnet. Like, first of all, this bonnet ties. Do y'all see this? This bonnet ties. So it's no reason why at night your bonnet should be coming off. This is nice. I like this. This ain't gonna be travel. This is staying at home with mama. I'm so happy I opened that. Next, we have 2 HD wig caps. And then we have this label, and guess what the label is for, y'all? Of course the label are wig, but they even gave your girl a Luvme Hair wig bag, so I could go ahead and put my label in my wig so I know what kind of wig it is, and it has a bag, it has a home. So I just be using them Walmart bags, not gonna hold you. And they gave me a thank you card. Thank you for choosing Luvme Hair. If you need help with your installation, scan the QR code for Wig 101 to get more guidance and information. Our customer care team is also here to support you, so don't hesitate to reach out. Now look at that. This is nice. I like this. They even have a wig care guide, which is super important because if you're new to the wig game, it's important that you know what you should and should not be putting in your hair. But really, let's get into the hair. Like, let's get into the hair. Now, do y'all see this? This is 26 inches. Now, just putting it to my head, and I am 5'8". I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see. This hair is long, baby. This hair is long. This hair is giving longer than 26 inches. It is long, and I love that. Next, what I really love about this wig is this elastic band in the back. Now this isn't a regular elastic band. Do you see these little hooks here? This allows you to adjust your wig to make it tighter, as you can see, or adjust it and make it smaller. And not only is this not a regular elastic band, do you see this grip type material? And this elastic band is fabric. This is so you don't have any irritation in the back of your neck or any irritation on the side of your scalp as well, because that causes tension alopecia and we do not want that. So I love how detailed and thoughtful they were when constructing this wig. Now I also like here that the lace, y'all, the lace is so light. It is so light, and baby, they bleached the knots. They bleached the knots. So for real, if I wanted to put this wig on right now, I could put it on and the lace is cut. Like, you see it, and that white thing is a styrofoam that they put underneath there to keep the construction of the wig. So what I like about this wig, I love the elastic band in the back, one. I love how light the lace is too. But then also the cap of this wig. This wig cap is very lightweight. So because it's lightweight, that means that it is breathable. Like, do y'all see that? And it stretches. It's important to have a breathable wig so your scalp can get circulation, one, and you don't want a wig that's too tight, because again, that causes tension alopecia. And I just want to rub this on my skin. Let's see here. You see that? It glides across my skin. No irritation whatsoever because the lace is so light, and this is so breathable. Luvme Hair, y'all did y'all big one on this, and I am like so impressed. This wig is so full. It's very, very full. From the ends to the roots, it's full all around. And I love how long it is. I'm just super excited. I am super excited. So my hairstylist Kendall, y'all know Kendall is going to get me right, and we're doing something different, and I can't wait for you guys to see. So I will be giving you guys an updated review, at least keeping the wig in for 2 weeks before I give y'all that updated review to tell y'all, is this hair a yay or a nay? Because the TikTok girlies been raving about this, and I need to know, is this hair really worth it or not? So we're definitely about to install it. I get my install done on Thursday, and I'm so excited to really show you guys what we working with. Like JT said, what you working with? Like, this hair is phenomenal. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for sending me this hair. If you guys are thinking about shopping at Luvme Hair, or say you already shop at Luvme Hair, guess what? I have a discount code for you guys. When you use my code BADBITAF, you will be able to save, guess how much? 32%. Yes, come a little closer. 32% off on your next purchase. So again, that code is BADBITAF, okay? And I'm also going to display the code here, and I will have the code in the description box as well for you guys, so you can save on your next purchase. Because baby, if this is giving quality, that's all we want, and we're gonna be shopping at Luvme Hair, period. Like, I'm so excited for this. Y'all did y'all big one. And guess what? Hold on, it don't got that corn chip wig smell. It does not have that smell at all. So yeah, thank you Luvme Hair so much for sending me this, and I can't wait for the install and can't wait to give y'all the content, because this bun gotta go, okay? It's your girl Janisha London, and thank you so much for watching my channel. Make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and again, if you like Luvme Hair, use that code and save 32% on your next purchase. Baby, we will see y'all in 2 weeks for the update, okay?